Hello students. So today we can look into the forms example. Okay. So this is one of the form which we are going to develop today in a notepad. Okay. So save the file form.html. Okay. So here you can see I have inserted the particular details within the table tag. Okay. Using a form tag also I have used here and I have used the table. On the table ಒಳಗೆ details ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಬಟನ್, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಬಟನ್, ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಬಟನ್. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ HTML ಬರೀಬೇಕು. HTML ಹೆಡ್ ಟೈಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಟಲ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ಹೆಡರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಏರಿಯಲ್, ಕಲರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಏರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಪನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 9, ಅಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 70. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು 9 ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಂಟರ್, ನನಗೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ 70. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ TR ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ರೋ. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೋ, in particular row what we can give. So TH I have used for table heading. Okay, then I have used the form tag. So when you develop any forms you should use the form tag. Okay, so here I have some of the other tags like H4. H4 is an heading tag. Okay, so H4 align equals center means I need the particular Mangalore University Field Marshal KM Karyappa College Madikeri, that to be printed between the row in a heading in the center of the particular table. Okay, so I have used the H4, the size of a particular text. Okay, next I have used the table border equals 4, width equals 40%, align equals center. That means for the next table, next part of the table. So this will be the output. Okay, you can see Mangalore University Field Marshal KM Karyappa College Madikeri. Okay, so this comes under that table border equals 9, align equals center, and width equals 70. Okay, so this is the output here. You no need to write that output. Okay, so next we can see that how we can create the multiple rows in a form and how we can add the form elements to that. Okay, so TR is a table row, TD is register number, you can give the register number, and TD, and I have used input type equals text, name equals text box, and close the TD, close the TR. So here I have used for register number the text box. So here you can see in the output, that is in next column, that is register number and one text box is present, right? So next you can see TR, name, TD input type equals text, name equals text box, TR. So you should see that all the beginning tag must end with the particular tags only. Okay, so next you can see that, you can see here in the output the name is present between the one text box. Okay, so name ಮತ್ತೆ text box TR ಒಳಗೇನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ. Next we have TRTD, father's name, and I have used the text box. Then I have given the mother's name, I have used the text box. You should understand the syntax of the particular form elements. Okay, then it will be easy. So you can see the output for register number, name, father's name, and mother's name. I have used the text box. Text box means a single line characters can be given. Okay, so in next I have used the Okay, so here I have used the select. So here you can see that is tr td religious. So I have given the subhead that is religious. Then I have used td select name equals combo. Combo means like combo box or a drop down list also you can give here. Size equals 1. You can give any number of size here. Options are for select I have should give the option, right? When we are click uh, one particular text line must be as separate. So for option that is I have given Hindu, SCST, Muslims, Christians. So here you can give any number of religious. Okay, there where we should use the select tag and the option tag in this particular example. Okay, so here you avoid the address codes and DOB. Okay, you can see that religious, when you click on the Hindu religion, it will be present in like blue color when you run this program. Okay, then you have the other options like SCST, Muslims, Christians. Okay, so when you click on particular text there, that will be highlighted in a blue color. Okay, so this is how you will be using the select tag. Okay, so next we have the text area. So how you can give the TD address, then text area name equals text, columns equals 20, rows equals 1. So and the text area and the TD tag and then the TR tag. So here as I told in text area we can give the multiple lines. So here you can see that box having the inside, it can, you can see that 2 lines will be present. It means that it has a 20 columns and 1 row. Okay, so this is about a text area. Whereas in text box we can only give the single line, whereas in text area we can give the many number of line. Next you can see that is same text box is used for course and date of birth. Okay, so where you can enter the text. Okay, so next we have the gender, where I have used the radio button. Okay, so here you can see TR, TD gender, TD input type equals radio, ID equals male, name equals gender, value equals male. So you should be careful that ID and value you should give that is male only. Okay, so here the option is male. Label for male equals male, label BR means the label we are giving for that particular button. Okay, next input type equals radio, ID equals female, name equals gender, value equals female. Then label means the particular name to be appear. Okay, so label for equals female, then again you should give the text that is female and the label, and BR is used for a break tag. Okay, and the TD tag and TR tag. So in your output you can see that is gender as a text and male and female is being labeled. When you click on one particular, only you can click on the one particular option. Okay, so next you can see the checkbox that is TRTD. I have used the text that is add-on course. TD input name is a checkbox, type equals checkbox, and you can give one text that is hardware networking. Okay, so input name equals checkbox, type equals checkbox, animation, TD, TR. So these are the add-on course. You can select both also, either one hardware networking or animation, or you can select both. Okay, so this is how you can use the check boxes. Next I have simply entered some text that is using TD call span. Call span means the additional space for a columns. Okay, so call span of 2, I hereby inform that, then I have given a break and given the text that is the information provided in a is a trustworthy. Okay, so when you got a chance to work in your lab, these programs should be tried one by one line. Okay, then only you can understand how the output appears. Okay, next I have used the date and place in the text box. Okay, so you can see TD date, input type equals text, name equals text box. Then another line I have used the place by giving the BR tag, break tag. Then place, input type equals text, name equals text box, slash TD and slash TR, and end the table tag. Okay, so this ends the table tag. Then I have to give the submit button, right? So I have used input type equals submit, name equals submit, value equals submit. So this will helps you to ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ನೀವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ನೀವು ಆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಬಟನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರೀಸೆಟ್, ನೇಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದ table tag and the form tag. Okay, so this is how you use the reset button to clear the entered text. Okay, so this is a example for your this form. Okay, the complete form look like this, the output, complete output. Okay, so if you have time you can work this in our lab, or then if you have laptops in your home you can try this program. Okay, so this is an important concept when you are developing the forms and all. Okay, it will be useful in your future also if you become a website developer and all. Okay, thank you.